In today's video, I'll be changing the steering wheel on my 2002 Boston Whaler 130 Sport. The only reason why I'm changing it out is because I bought the boat used and it's missing this centerpiece here. I cannot find one, so I'm replacing it with this 13.5-inch nice stainless steel unit here. Amazon for $54. The tools I'll need today are a 3/4 inch socket, an adjustable wrench because I don't have the correct metric socket for the nut. I'm putting painter's tape on the nut so I don't scratch it, and a hammer to knock the nut loose on the steering wheel. So I'll get to it. Alright, here we go. Loosen the nut up. You don't want to take the nut all the way off because you're going to hit it with the hammer to knock it loose off the tapered end here. So just have it loose right to the edge so you don't damage the threads. Put pressure on top and bottom. Couple good hits, it comes right off. Finish taking this steering wheel off. This over here. Put this on the floor here. Now you've got to make sure that the keyway is still in there. So the keyway is there. Just line that up properly. Oh, and one other thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to put a touch of blue Loctite on the threads. You probably don't need to do this, but I'll just put a little bit on there just to be on the safe side. Okay. Almost there. I think that's about it. Just going to give it one more good little crank. Let me grab it through here so I'm nice and straight on there. I want to make sure I don't scratch anything here. It's too nice of a steering wheel to scratch up. Wish I had the right socket. Okay. I think that's going to be good enough. Everything's nice and solid. Okay. Take this painter's tape off. Everything looks perfect. All right. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. All right, perfect. Hopefully this was informative for you. This is on a 2002 Boston Whaler 130 Sport. And this is a nice upgrade for $54 from Amazon. Really nice upgrade. Well, thank you. Oh, and if you're interested in something else too, I bought these things because on the Boston Whaler Sports, a lot of them don't come with cleats. And cleats from Boston Whaler are like $180. These are called loop nuts or something like that, but I got these from E-Rigging. They were only like $3 to $4 a piece. I got 4 of them, 2 for both sides. With shipping was only $22. All nice marine grade stainless steel, and I could attach it just like a cleat. Very useful. Well, thanks for watching. Hopefully this video was of use to you. Thank you. Bye.